Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you already know, I got the new phone, and Wildflower finally did come out with cases for this phone, but I'm not into like any of them right now. Just like they don't really have that many options and I'm just not vibing with them. So I decided to order a bunch off Amazon and I'm not really exactly sure what I ordered. So we're just kind of gonna try all of these, and they're all pretty like affordable. Like I think they're all like $10 to $20, which is pretty good for a case, and we'll see how protected they are. But I do have quite a few cases for my iPhone 10 that I was like,
what am I gonna do with them? They're just gonna be sitting in my room.
So I decided to sell them on the app Poshmark. I've talked about Poshmark on my channel before. I've worked with them before. They're amazing and they're actually sponsoring this video. If you don't know what Poshmark is, which I'm pretty sure you do, but I'm gonna tell you anyways, it's basically an app where you can sell used clothes, or I think they have like home items now, shoes, just like anything like that. You just can't sell used makeup. It's the easiest way to sell items from your closet. Like they literally make it so easy. You just post pictures of it, describe it, and like someone will buy it, and like Poshmark emails you the shipping label for you to print out, and it's literally that simple. Like it can't get any simpler than that. You can also find amazing deals, and everything should be pretty affordable. You're gonna find some great deals. Like Home just launched on Poshmark recently. Now you can list things such as bedding, stationery, like things like that, which I think is super awesome. And there are a bunch of luxury brands on there, and you can find things at an affordable price. But if something that you purchase is $500 or more, they will make sure that it's real before you even receive it, which I think is really good, because sometimes you can be a little skeptical and you don't want to waste your money. So I think it's really cool of Poshmark to do that. I'm just going to show you guys the cases that I'm going to be selling right now. So obviously we have some Wildflower cases. We have like this money one. I can take off the pop socket if needed, but it's still on my old phone as we speak. The classic, like this is such an iconic moment for me, the cherry checkerboard case. We have this white one with pop socket on it, but I'm gonna take it off. And it was the one where like it's the vintage fridge. My dog decided to be in this video. Wow. Okay, cool. We have these two marble ones from, I don't know what company this is from. And then some felony cases. I also will be listing some clothes on there in the future, so make sure you download the app Poshmark using the link in the description box and shop my closet. It's a good time. Yeah, I think Poshmark is really dope, so definitely check them out. But now let's get into cases for my new phone. Right now I just have the pink Apple case that I bought off the Apple store because I needed a case. Let's hop right into this. I don't even know what I bought, not gonna lie. So first up, we have this like cactus one. Wait a second. Wow, I forgot how pretty this phone is. I'm gonna get dragged for saying that, but I think it's a pretty phone. Wait, I actually like this. It's like, I think it looks really good with the gold. Just like these cactuses. Everything will be linked down below. I like this. I don't know if this is the one I'm gonna keep, but this is a good start. I don't know. I'm like, this just isn't me. Like when I see this phone, like I just don't think this would be my phone. Like I just, like it's a cute case, but like it's definitely not me. I'm probably gonna pass on that. Next up, we have this one. What is this? I swear, this is just a clear case. Did I just order a clear case? I don't feel like trying this on. Like it's just a clear case. But I think I know why I ordered this, because I want to like buy a Polaroid camera and get into Polaroid pictures and like take pictures with like, it's like a tweet. It's like I want that like Polaroid picture of us in my phone case kind of love or something. I think that was like a funny tweet. But like, I'd be sick. But I don't feel like trying this on my phone because like the other one was like a clear case too. So that's a flop. Why did I get a clear case? If I knew I wanted a wow, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Okay, this one's kind of cute. None of these cases are me though. What if I like don't end up keeping any of these? That'd be so sad. Okay, I think I like this better than the other one, but once again, this just isn't me as a phone case, and also, like, it doesn't really protect the like front screen that much. I think it's cute though, like cute, but like not my favorite. I don't know. I'm really trying here. I just don't think I like it. It's a cute case though. Hawaii vibes for sure. Tropical vibes, but not me. This is a bigger flop than I thought. This thing says 2019 for iPhone 6.5. Like what? iPhone 6.5? What's an iPhone 6.5? I'm confused. Oh wait, I like this one. But I probably won't like it still, so that's just the tea. Like, it's just like a rubber case. It's cute though. It's cute. I need to stop being like, it's just not me. Like, why did I get these if they're not me? Like, I think I just wanted to get out of my comfort zone, but I just don't like it. Once again, it also doesn't cover a lot for like the front screen. If you drop your phone, like, your screen's gonna crack, so. It's cute though, but not my style. I give up on buying iPhone cases, you guys. This is why I only stick to Wildflower. I think someone commented that I need to stick to Wildflower cases, and like, don't worry, I am trying to. Let's try this one. This one doesn't seem like a flop. It probably still will be a flop, but okay, I like it. But once again, not me. Like, I think I just want a Wildflower case. I think this is the conclusion. It's definitely more protective than any of the other ones. And I think it's like sick. It looks like a bath bomb. Yeah, this is probably my favorite. And I'm pretty sure this was only like $10, so get it. And they have like other ones too. Other colors. I think they have like just like a marble one. Okay, this one also says iPhone 6.5 2019, which I'm very confused about, but whatever. I'm not gonna question it. This is another clear case. You're joking. Oh, no, it has something on it, but it's literally a clear case. I think this is like the floral one, not gonna lie. I don't like it. I don't like the clear case. I don't like the clear case vibes. Like, I don't want to see the color I bought. That's why I didn't care that I got the gold one, because you can't even see it in cases unless you get a clear case. But like, I don't want a clear case. But like, it's pretty. Like, this is cute, but it's just not me. I'm a Wildflower girl. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself right now. I'm just trying to show you guys cases that I found on Amazon that you will probably like, and I'm just picky. I think that's what we've established here. We have one more case. We'll see if we like that one. Probably not. So, last one. I spent like $100 on iPhone cases. Why am I doing this? Oh, wait. Okay. This purple blue one. I thought it looked cooler in the picture, because look at this right now. It's like not that sick. Like, it just kind of looks like a cheap case that you could probably get for like $2. So I'm not really a big fan. It's also like not that protective. It's a fat no from me. And those are all the iPhone cases I bought. So now I think we've established that we're sticking to the silicone case until I decide I like the Wildflower cases for my phone. But yeah, this is kind of flop, but I mean, if you like any of these cases, I'll link them down below. And if you have the iPhone 10, make sure you check out my Poshmark, or if you're interested in any of my clothes. But yeah, make sure you download the app Poshmark. Everything will be linked down below. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Comment anything you want. Follow me on social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.